my hair is freshly washed and stretched out, and I went ahead and parted off my first braid. As you can see, it is a nice big chunk of hair. And as you guys actually saw in a few of my previous videos, I'm going to be using my Milani hair care leave-in conditioner as well as their elongating twisting cream for this style. And as you guys can see, I'm just going to make sure my hair is fully detangled, and then I'm going to begin to braid down. And of course, you guys want to make sure you're doing your braid nice and tight, so kind of pull every time you braid. And I'm just going to braid all the way down and complete the same process throughout my entire hair. And you guys, make sure you don't forget to seal your moisturizer with either an oil or a butter if you have not previously moisturized your hair yet. And I am done, and this is actually about a week later, and it's time to take down. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my Milani hair care oil on my scalp, because I didn't really oil my scalp that well when I styled, and it kind of just went out of my head. And I'm also going to use that same oil to keep on my hands as I take down my hair. Now that I am done taking out my braids, I'm just going to pull apart my curls to my liking, and I'm done.